Hey Siri.
How you call Siri? Desmond my name.
Alright, sorry, Uncle Desmond.
Make me every year I call me Siri again and see me in the step for the phone and thumping in your blood claw mouth.
Alright, cool. Jeez.
No, tell me what you fucking want with me now. What you want?
Yeah, could you call my girlfriend, please?
What? The one with the wedding ring and the love you item?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see how would. Weird. What on there? I ain't this.
What?
Me bumbo clad.
What?
No, dog. You know, say me and this guy go way back. Yeah, man, I mean, like a fuck around this, man. I used to mash up the pum pum every single day. Yeah, man, inside and outside, all over the yard. Yeah, man. Me can't believe it, a bumbo clad. Seriously, dog? Seriously? And them type of girl I go for? Me blood clad. You know, say I'm old friends with benefits that. Yeah, man, we used to bust in it all the time, man. All the while. About 36, about 38 pitney she bought for me, man. Yeah, man, we used to come in it like cream donut. Everything.